right, so to properly install your action in the ACC chassis as well as all of our other chassis systems, what you want to do is ensure that you have a nice clear chamber, everything's all nice and safe. Remove your bolt, and what we're going to do is align the recoil lug with the pocket inside the chassis and slide down the chassis onto the action, feeling a contact. Throw in the 2 action screws sitting loosely. Just snug them up without over tightening them just yet. Okay. Okay. Next thing you're going to want to do is tilt the whole chassis system and barreled action up so you properly seat the recoil lug down against the pocket we have in the chassis, properly mating it with the actual chassis system. And you're going to want to snug down your front action screw to 65 or 60 inch-pounds. You're then going to want to tighten the rear action screw again to 60-65 inch-pounds, somewhere in that neighborhood. Nice and tight, and you're ready to roll. Your barreled action is installed.